Today we are here to get Nirvan's DSLR Nikon camera repaired. We have already given it to the shop at Sahir Reference Swap Faruqi, and tomorrow we will get it fixed with the setup. We are on Nisbat Road now. Building is on Nisbat Road. Standing in Holden and looking at the house.